Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this video I will guide you through how to link Chime to Apple Pay. So this is useful in order to pay using your Apple Pay directly on your phone. So what I recommend is to bridge between Apple Pay and Chime. You need to first install Chime mobile banking. So of course you have Apple Pay already by default on your iPhone, but the only thing now we need is make sure that you create your account and everything on Chime. So just need to log into your Chime account and put your card details inside Apple Pay. So this is the exact application that you need to be installing. You can see its reviews and everything, so it should be matching up to this one. And once you get that done, I'm 100% sure that you can pay using your Apple Pay connected with your Chime account. So this is simple and really easy. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.